Hi guys, this is Chris Galisi from Kelly's Used Cars in Auburndale. Today I feature one of the vehicles that I figure has been very popular. It's been sitting out by the road for about a week now. Had a lot of people stop by and want to look at it. As you can see, somebody with approved credit can get this at 0 down. This is a 2015 Tahoe LT2 that is loaded with about every single option you can get. If you notice, we also put fuel forged wheels on this, which are 22s, 14 wide. They're on 33-inch Nittos. Basically, it has a lift kit by Fabtech. When I say it's an LT2, it comes with all the creature comforts, including, to start off with, you have remote start. Okay. You also have things like the power lift gate. And then once you walk around the back of this vehicle, you actually have the power flip and fold seats. So you can actually fold down the third row seats, and you can actually fold the third row seats back up when you need to. Now while these are folded down, I'm going to put them down one more time. You can actually take the second row seats, and you can actually fold those. So you can actually have all that space from the back seats all the way back to the very back in case you are moving something, furniture, wood, stuff like that, things that you might need to fit in there. And basically it also has the power lift gate that's adjustable. So if you're trying to put it in a garage and it's not tall enough, you can actually switch that to 3/4 so it won't go all the way up into the garage door. It does have the factory towing package, 5.3 liter automatic transmission. You can also flip those third rows, the second row seats all the way up. And what that'll do is two things. Number one, it's also going to make it easier for you to have passengers get in and out so that you'll actually have room instead of them having to try and crawl across the seat or do something to that matter, or kids jumping over the seats. Makes it a lot easier. And then to put these down, it's real easy. All you have to do is push them down, flip these back up, they go right back into place. Of course, it does have the running boards. With the smart key technology, you just have to be within 20 inches of the vehicle. Once the vehicle is in your hands, you can actually open the doors if it's unlocked. Okay, and then even on the passenger side, this is going to have a 10-way power seat that's going to give you lumbar, power back, power bottom, power lift and rise. So you'll have all of that, and we'll also have heated seats for either just the back or the bottom and the back. Of course, you have power windows and door locks. Of course, every Tahoe LTT is going to have your normal features such as power windows, door locks, cruise, tilt, AM, FM, CD, XM radio. Around the front of the vehicle, you can see that that lift kit's brand new. Everything underneath this vehicle is brand new from A to Z. The entire lift kit, tires, wheels, everything's been done. This does have a 5.3 liter V8. It is a true 4x4. It is not one of these ones they built as a two-wheel drive so that just for looks is an actual four-wheel drive vehicle. And if you get to come around here to the passenger driver's side, on the driver's side, once you get in, driver's door itself, you have the flip and fold mirrors, so you can fold the mirrors in when you run through a car wash, and then you can flip the mirrors out. It also has crash avoidance and lane warning departure. You also have, of course, child lockout, memory seating, and this is equipped with the Bose stereo system. Once you're in the vehicle, as long as the key fob is in your hand or in the vehicle or in your purse, the vehicle looks like it's running right now, but you do have to apply the brake and push the start-stop button for everything to actually come on. You have automatic four-wheel drive, regular four-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive low, and automatic. Automatic headlamps. You have parking sensors. You have traction control, and you have movable foot pedals. So for those who are height challenged, you can actually still drive a vehicle like this and not have to sit on top of the steering wheel because you have that ability to move the pedals away from you. You have volume controls on the back of the steering wheel. You also have the option to change your channels on the opposite side. cruise control, a heated steering wheel, which I found is really nice. I have one that has a heated steering wheel. You can close the hatch from either the key fob or just by pushing the button here, which is also where you can adjust the height of how it opens. You also have, like I said, the heated seats for back and bottom, and then you have high, medium, and low. You have climate control for the front passengers and also for the rear air conditioning. The vehicle is equipped with OnStar. You have 3 garage door openers. You have cruise control. You have your rear windshield wipers and front windshield wipers. The vehicle has a tow haul mode, so that if you're towing something, if you actually push that button, what it'll do is it'll disengage the overdrive so that your shift points are different and so that you also are capable of towing more weight with it without burning up the transmission. The vehicle is also equipped with navigation, Pandora, weather, your phone, all your settings, everything will go through there, along with climate control, air conditioning for both sides. So if you're anything like me and my wife, I want to be cold, she wants to be warm, no problem. This vehicle can handle that part. You also have USB ports to charge your cell phones from here. You also have a regular cigarette outlet. Another nice feature is this button right here is basically almost like a safe, but it does have an iPod jack in the back of it, but a small handgun or other things that you don't want anybody to see or be visible. And then you can also close that and use that as just an extra storage compartment, something that might be advantageous to someone that's looking to do that. As you get further to the back, like I said before, you can have it so that only one side's up and one side's down, so you can get in and out from either side. And it's the same thing, as easy to put down as it was to take up. So basically, you just push that back, and push the seat back. These vehicles typically run brand new in the high 60s with this equipment, without the tires, wheels, and lift kit. Currently, you can buy this vehicle for under $50,000 with over $7,000 worth of upgrades. You notice it also has the luggage rack on the top, so if you are someone who canoes or does any kind of outdoor activities where you need a roof rack, this vehicle is equipped with the roof rack. And again, once I said, this vehicle is just about every option you could look for. Beautiful black on black interior, black exterior. It does have the backup camera. Really not a whole lot more to say about it, except it's a lot of vehicle for a little money. So my name's Chris, here with Kelly's Used Cars. If this is a vehicle you think interests you, we're more than happy to take your phone calls at 875-7944. And if it's something you'd like to purchase, we will do everything we can to get you the lowest interest rate. For those people that may qualify, you may qualify for rates as low as 2.9%. Thank you and have a great day. Kelly's Used Cars in Arville.